بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I am your chemistry teacher. I will teach you chemistry. Today I will teach you in chemistry chapter number 9, chemical equilibrium, which is the first chapter of class 10th. So before explaining the chemical equilibrium, it is necessary to understand the following term like chemical reactions and their types. So what is mean by chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a chemical process in which different substances are combined together to form new substances. For example, formation of water molecule and formation of carbon dioxide gas. Water molecule is formed by the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen gas to form water molecule. Similarly, carbon dioxide gas is formed by the combination of carbon and oxygen gas to form carbon dioxide gas. In chemical reactions, those substances which are combined together to form the product, they are called the reactants. And those substances which are formed like new substance, they are called the product. The reactant and product are separated from each other by an arrow which is directed toward the product. Let's come to the type of chemical reaction. The first type is the reversible reaction. Reversible reactions are those reactions in which the reactants are combined together to form product, and the product are again recombined together to form the reactant, or those reactions which proceed in two directions, in the forward directions and as well as in the reverse directions. The reversible reaction is shown by a double half-headed arrow which show the reversibility of reaction. Example of a reversible reaction: formation of ammonia gas, which is formed by the reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen gas. Another example, formation of sulfur trioxide gas, which is formed by the reaction of sulfur dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Another example is the formation of hydrogen iodide, which is formed by the reaction of hydrogen and iodine. Let's come to another type. It's called irreversible reaction. Irreversible reaction is the opposite of a reversible reaction. Those reactions in which only the reactants are combined together to form the product. The product doesn't combine to form the reactants. Or those reactions which proceed only in one direction. The irreversible reaction is shown by a full-headed arrow which is directed toward the product. For example, formation of water molecule which is formed by the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen gas. Another example is the formation of carbon dioxide gas which is formed by the reaction of carbon and oxygen gas. The third number example, formation of magnesium chloride which is formed by the reaction of magnesium and chlorine gas. Okay students, let's come to the main topics. Chemical equilibrium. What is mean by chemical equilibrium? A chemical equilibrium is a state of a reversible reaction when the rate of a forward direction become equal to the rate of a reverse reaction, and there is no change in the concentration of the reactant and product. Or those reactions in which two opposing reactions occur at the same time and there is no change in the concentration of the reactant product is also called chemical equilibrium. Explanation: whenever a reversible reaction is been proceeding, initially the rate of a forward reaction is high and the reverse reaction is slow, because the reaction doesn't completely change with the product. Therefore, the rate will be high and the product will be low. But with the pace of time, when they produce the product, so at that time the concentration of a reactant will be slow and a product will be high. When the product again recombine together or decompose and they change with the reactant, so at that time the concentration of the product will be high and reactant will be low. But after some time both the concentration become equal and there is no change in both the concentration. maybe on the reactant side or on the product hand side. Both the conditions become constant. So such condition of reverse evaluation is also called chemical equilibrium or dynamic equilibrium. Let us explain this topic with the help of a graph. The graph is plotted between the rate of variation versus times. I have told you, whenever a reverse evaluation has been proceeding in the forward direction, initially the rate will be high. Like, for example, the reactant A, B are combined together to form the product C and D. So at the beginning, their rate will be high. And with the pace of time, the rate will be gradually decreasing. But when they produce the product C and D, at the beginning, their rate will be low. But with the pace of time, their rate will be increasing to form the reactant like A and B. But a time will reach that there is no change in both the concentrations. So such condition of reverse evaluation is called dynamic equilibrium or chemical equilibrium. Another example of a chemical equilibrium is the formation of ammonia gas, which is formed by the reaction of nitrogen and argon gas. Another example is the formation of mercury and oxygen gas, which is formed by the decomposition of mercury oxide. Dear student, in this previous topic, we have discussed the type of reaction, reversible reaction and irreversible reaction. The reversible reaction composed of two types of reaction. One is called forward reaction and the other one is called reverse reaction. Forward reaction may be defined as the conversion of a reactant into product in per unit time is called forward reaction. It may be also defined as the rate of chemical reaction which taking place in the forward direction is also called forward reaction. For example, formation of ammonia gas. It is formed by the reaction of nitrogen and argon gas, which is directed toward the products. Reverse reaction. Reverse reaction is the opposite of a forward reaction. It may be defined as the conversion of a product into reactant in per unit time is called reverse reaction. It may be also defined as a rate of chemical reaction taking place in the reverse direction is also called reverse reaction. For example, when ammonia gas decomposes, as a result, it produces nitrogen and argon gas. The net reaction of the forward reaction and reverse reaction is under. Nitrogen and argon are combined together to form ammonia gas. So when nitrogen and argon are combined together, so it forms ammonia gas, so it shows the forward reaction. But when ammonia decomposes to form nitrogen and argon gas, so it shows the reverse reaction. There are some macroscopic characteristics of forward reaction and reverse reaction. In forward reaction, the reactant are react together to form the product. While in the reverse reaction, the product are react together to form the reactant. The forward reaction will always take place from left to right, while the reverse reaction will take from right to left. In forward reaction, the rate of reaction in the beginning is very high, and the rate of reverse reaction is very slow in the beginning. But with the pace of time, the rate of reaction of forward reaction is gradually slow down, while the rate of reverse reaction will be gradually increasing with the pace of time.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.